GRT's massive breakout is just getting started, and this is playing out after we started a very nice bounce on a key area of support above the 0.1882, and at the time of this recording we have also managed to break above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, flipping it back into support. And the next key area of resistance that we now need to see a break above lies above the 0.2118, and this movement to the upside has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures. And on today's video I will be discussing the Elliot wave structure here on this chart and also give you my breakout target areas, so make sure that you stick around. And starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening since the 8th of July when we got a significant low below the 0.164. We saw a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high above the 0.2221 in a move that I'm terming as an Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after we picked in that Elliot wave count 1, I was expecting a corrective structure in an Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which perfectly lies between the 0.1941 and the 0.187, which is the area I have marked here on the charts in red. And at some point after losing the fib level 0.618, we saw a bit of a pullback to the lower side, but the fib level 0.78 continued to hold as support, and that perfectly lies above the 0.1769. And after we saw a pullback into this target area, that has now increased the likelihood that we have now bottomed out in this Elliot wave count 2, and in the next coming hours we can easily see the start of an impulsive move to the upside in this Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.2759, and that is my first target area that I have my eyes on once we continue breaking above significant key areas of resistances and significant highs. And for us to get a confirmation that that impulsive move has now started, we need to see a break above the 0.2118, which is a significant key area of resistance. Once you manage to break above that, maybe with a retest, we also need to see a break above these significant highs in this Elliot wave count 1, which perfectly lie above the 0.2218. The moment you manage to break above those significant areas, then that is enough confirmation that that impulsive move has now started, and we can now easily see a 0.2769 GRT in the next coming hours. So that is the price action that I'm watching out for here on the GRT chart for the next coming hours. And in case of any sudden pullbacks, then we need to watch for support on the 0.1882. And in case we lose that key area of support, then we also need to continue holding within this red target area, which is over here. And as long as we are holding within this area, there are high chances of seeing another bounce back to the upside in this Elliot wave count 3. So that is all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.